Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to D Dawn Kitchen. Today guys, D Dawn is back in the kitchen to show you a quick and easy recipe. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. And to all my supporter YouTuber, a big warm subscriber, a big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. I am so happy and I'm elated because of you. So let's get started. We will be doing fried sweet plantain this morning, right? Plantain. And all you need for that is just two ingredients, the plantain and some oil. So what we will be doing, we will removing the skin from the plantain. And the first thing you're going to go right about 1 inch at the navel. And about half an inch of the knife you're going to put right under the skin. Not too much in the flesh. Then you're going to just lift with the side of your finger there. And we're going to slice the plantain. Don't forget to share, like this video, and to subscribe. And hit that notification bell. So when D Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. You can use whatsoever oil you have. And as you can see some bubbles in it. So that means definitely the pot is hot, because you don't want to put the plantain in the pot when it is cold. So now that the pot is hot, you're going to place the plantain in. You hear that sizzle, right? And you're gonna let each side fry until it's golden brown. Within 4 or 5 minutes, flip it over. So as you can see, the side is getting golden brown. So I'm just gonna flip these over. And when you flip it over, always move it around a little so it don't stick in the pot. So it is time now to remove the plantain. You see they become golden brown. And if you have them too long in the pot, they will begin burning. And you want to ensure you have a napkin in whatever you're going to put the plantain on to drain, because it absorbs a lot of oil. And here I'm putting in the rest. And the same procedure. Within 4 or 5 minutes, you flip them over as soon as you see the edges become golden brown. And please, do not leave them unattended. And we're not using a non-stick pot. So because you're not using a non-stick skillet, just lift the plantain around so it don't stick in the bottom of the skillet. So looking, you can see the side here getting golden brown. So once you see that, just flip it over. And now we are just removing the other set that we just put in. I think I'll give this a little more time. Hey beautiful people, look at this. Our yellow Ripe sweet plantain is now fried and ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? And always ensure when you fry your plantain, you have the napkin so the napkin absorb the oil. Look how this napkin is soaked with the oil that fried the plantain. So guys, give it a try. Ain't it mouth-watering? I'm hungry now. I am hungry. So I thank you for watching D Don Kitchen. Please be safe. Bye for now.